Welcome everybody. So we are live. The market is pulling back a bit for growth stocks. We'll see if we're gonna have some action today for those unicorn stock. We got some of them like VCIG, of course, doing alright in pre-market. We have a test for the breakout zone around the $7.83. The price went down. We got mini stock pulling back in pre-market. Mini stock is pulling back. Yeah, mini stocks. We have a huge pullback. SRGA pumping pre-market 100% now is 59. ONCS the same, pulling back from the resistance 55. VCIG, MEDS. So this one have a huge pump. We discussed it in the pre-market here, and we said the breakout zone should be around the $7.70, profit taking $9.28. So profit taking triggered around the pre-market, price went down. Yeah, so we're expecting a huge volatility when the market open because everything is pulling back before the market open. So everything's pulling back. Everything's pulling back. The unicorn, growth stocks, everything. Yeah, PIK. Really pumping hard, this one. You got it right. It's really pumping hard. This one is might be a unicorn, but we have to be extremely careful because we learned that when the market open, we might have a huge pullback and lose this momentum. BOIL jumping in the pre-market almost 2000%. I think we got reverse split 1 to 20. The other one reverse split as well, UVXY 1 to 10, not good. This one reverse split as well, I think. Yes sir, 1 to 8. We got many stocks got reverse split today, so don't be surprised of a huge pump. 1 to 5 this one. Finally this one is not a reverse split, so top gainer for today is PIK 166%. After that we got ONCS. It's pulling back toward this support. We'll see if we hold and then kick toward 56. This one was the top gainer before, right now is pushing once again. We'll see if we can have action around the 45. Let me just check my stock screener if we got another thing. CFMS. This one is offering, not good. After that, of course, we got SRGA pulling back as well toward the support. Yeah, this is really critical support. We need to hold it. CTM, it's pumping 48% or 30%. It's crashing down once again. Anyway. We got mini stocks pumping today in pre-market. but some of them just reverse split and offering, so it doesn't count. KITT, maybe we might have something for this one. Maybe. When I say maybe, is a maybe. Let's see. I'll see if we got something for this one later. Always we learn our lesson that we never let anything go, because the least you expect something will jump, it will jump. So the idea is prepare for the jump before it happens. Yes, so maybe we got something for this one later. We still holding this level, we might have a reversal, and I put it on my list spot higher. I put it with Abe and Nikola and the other stocks that might jump today. Yeah, Nikola and the other one might jump. We got stock got earnings today and have a huge jump, like KMX. Yes, this one got great earnings, 82%. We might hunt this one when the market open. This one looking good, this one looking good. Virgin Galactic as well, still holding. We discussed this in our pre-market today and our Patreon. We said we have a bottom to reverse from around the $4.30 around this ascending channel. We have a great reversal. We'll see Virgin Galactic for today if we're gonna have a continuation for this reversal. INTC, we have a support around the 32. Watch out, if we broke this support, we might have another plunge down for INTC. We have a try yesterday to break this level when the market opened here. Yes. So the short added actually for INTC here around the $33. Yeah, we have a red day. A red day coming up, guys. Watch out. Red day coming up. We have short added for Tesla around the 279. Then they added again 266. And we might have a crash today for Tesla. If we broke the 247, wait for a huge sell-off. We might have a huge sell-off for Tesla, 10% again. If we broke the 247, we got resistance confirmed right now around the 266. PayPal the same, we have a support to hold 67. INTC the same, 32. We're getting really near. Resistance is around the 33.11. So yeah, the market is pulling back. Let me just check the SPY. Yeah, the SPY is pulling back. We have a new low for this week. Yes, a new low. 433, yes. This is a support. Could have been support. If we broke it, will never be any support anymore, and we're gonna have a plunge down. Yes, We broke it, we're gonna go here, 426, and this is will give us 1.50% down for the SPY. Watch out, 433. If we broke it, we're gonna have a red day today for the market. I'm just checking if we have a good setup, either to short or to long. Yeah, AMD is still time to short AMD because we're still below the 115.70. It's back to a reversal here for AMD around the 104. Let me just check how much we could go down. Another 4%. Nvidia is still strong and holding over the 414. We have a huge accumulation here. So Nvidia is the top strongest stock, even though we have a bit of bearish momentum. You see what's happened here for Nvidia? We have accumulation around the 430 or 440 and the 421. So if we hold this accumulation, we might see the $500 for Nvidia this year. 414 should be our support. Huge whale bought around this dip. You see here, the 374, and we did almost 16%. So Nvidia is still looking good. Yeah, Tesla, we might have shorting opportunity now. Someone shorted Tesla big time here around the 279, huge short. So the short added some more here around the 267. So if we don't break this level, we could actually short Tesla instead of buying it, because the price might break the 247 today and going toward the 233. This is almost 10% plunge. Yeah. So we could actually risk 2.70 to win 10% if we short it, of course. So here this will confirm everything, but the strategy is to watch the SPY, because the SPY is still holding the 433. As long as we hold this level for the SPY, it's good. Everything's good for the market. We might have a huge reversal for everything, because we don't crash, we don't break any support for Tesla, for INTC, for Meta. We're still holding the support. The reason is because the SPY is still holding over the 433. Look at this. We have a green candle again. So this is the first 30 minutes will give us a sentiment where we're gonna go. Either we short the market or we long the market by watching the SPY. If we broke the 433, watch out for a huge red day. Not huge, but yeah, would be 10% for Tesla, 5% for other stocks. So this range will be between the 10% and 5%. So this is the reason Tesla went down, because the analysts have downgraded Tesla price target today. Lina, do you know what's the price that they downgraded Tesla for? Which price? Exactly, brother. Hit the like button. I Hunter Music. Appreciate it, brother. Like your username. Okay, now we covered the growth stocks. Let me just go to our list of unicorn stock. So we got one unicorn, guys. PIK 160% for this stock. 160. So watch out. This one is really risky play. We might have a huge pullback. Let me just check if we got it here. PIK. Yes, we got it. Let me just put it here. Okay, let me just check if we could open how much. Yeah, not bad. We could buy 12 shares. So the limit is 12,000 shares for this one. Not bad. It's better than the others because before I just can open like 500 shares or less. For this one is almost 12,000. This is good. SRGA kind of broke, but yeah, I will watch it just in case. Just in case we got something. ONCS. This one looking good. This one looking juicy. I will put it second, and I put it here. ONCS. We got two stocks we might hunt when the market open. And then we got VCIG. This one looking interesting as well. I'll put it here. VCIG. Put it there and check if we're gonna have something. MEDS, maybe, because we have a huge pump in pre-market from the $7.70. MGOL, APE, still holding. Nikola. Yes, it's a bit weak here. OCEA, maybe, guys. OCEA looking good for the $7.93. Yeah, looking good. Kind of. But I will give it some chance here around this support. So we could risk how much if we enter right now. Let me just check if we entered here. We can risk 6% and first profit should be 13% and maybe even 60%. So yeah, not bad. Not bad for OCEA. I will put it really down to here. This one, nope. VCIG, better. And OCEA. I'll put it here. So we have 4 stocks we might hunt for today. Let me just check this one, how much we could open. OCEA, just 140 shares. This is not good. This one, let me just check how much we can buy. Just 200 shares. And this one, how much? This one is good. VCIG. So I'll put VCIG second because we can buy more. And this one, yes, third. And ONSC, no, I'm gonna take it from the list because they just give us 27 euros, man. I will take it from the list. This is a joke. Okay. So we got PIK, and this one I take it because not good. OCEA and VCIG. Before I forget, let me just check Virgin Galactic because looking good, and KMX. KMX might be good trade today because we have a great earnings. We might trade this one as well. So I'll put it on the list. Okay, X and SPCE and INTC, just in case. Okay, Disney's still going down. Disney's still going down. After the bad earnings last time, really bad earnings. I expect continuation for this bearish momentum for Disney toward the 60 and the 43 would be good average to enter. This one might have a huge selling pressure, man. I think short sellers are waiting for a huge dinner. They are in the dinner table waiting to serve the main dish, PIK, on their table. They're ready to eat. They're ready to eat. I'm really worried about this, because if it's got shorted, it's gonna have a huge dump down, because we don't have a consolidation zone yet. Yeah, we might have here around the $1.70. We might have another kick toward the 2, then we're gonna have a huge selling pressure. Yeah, below the $2 we might have a kick here and there, and after that there. Yeah, if we're lucky, we're gonna go toward the $1.97 before a sell-off. Watch out, this one looking is about to burst. OCEA the same. OCEA. We have a nice bottom here, so we could actually buy there. Okay, and the stop loss should be around the $6.50. This one could run, but we have to be willing to lose 6%. This is it. This is the trade. We have to be willing to lose 6 to win 13. This is the trade for this one. VCIG, on the other hand, I'm not willing to enter now until we break the $7.80. INTC still holding. Some of you said the SPY is about to get shorted. Yes, it's still holding. I think this is the confirmation will happen when the market open. Or right now, look, the SPY is about to break right now. Not good, guys, not good signal. 433, not good signal if we broke this level. Really not good signal. This means we're gonna have a huge dive. Huge dive here, 426. And what that signal give us is time to short the market. If we broke this, it's time to short everything. At least for today. Like we get a good chunk of this huge selling pressure. You see what's happened here? It started in pre-market, a huge selling pressure. And we might have a continuation down for Tesla as well. So the SPY will give us a signal right now because we're still holding. Look, we're still holding 433 exactly. Last dip we have the 432.99. We just tested below the 433 and there's someone bought. So this is good, but we need to hold. We got just 3 minutes. I think when the market open, we might have our answer, okay? When the market open, we might have our answer. Pump down or pump up. So this is really critical. Right now, the SPY is want to break this support. If we broke red day for today, maybe we're gonna have reverse in power hour, but the first half an hour or 1 hour, we're gonna have a huge pullback. Watch out. Guys, the SPY is breaking. The SPY is breaking. Okay, this is the first signal for weakness. Watch out. We might have a huge selling pressure for the market now. PayPal, Tesla is pushing down. Yes, it's a red day. It's a red day coming up. Watch out for the huge of red. We might have a red day today because the SPY just broke the support. Yes, we broke. We broke for the SPY. Time to short. Let's go and short the market. And we got, yes, they added here around the 439. Now we got time to short many stocks. Yeah, even INTC, we might have a break now when the market open. Watch out. Watch out, a red day coming up. Huge red day coming up for the market. Okay, 1 minute guys, plus the like button and the weigh in. We have 41 likes. Let's hit the likes button before the market open. We always do our live streaming around 3 p.m. CET. Today we're gonna do power hour, especially on our Patreon and Discord. If you're not already here with us, you can join us with the comment section. You can actually find our link to join our Patreon. Remember that our live streaming is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly and let the price come to you and let the price come to you. And let's hunt for Friday. Let's get right to it. Let's see what's gonna happen. The market's open and let's see, is really red. As we said, we might have a huge red day for today. Watch out. The SPY is kind of reacting here. Yeah, we have a bit buying pressure, but this is not good yet. We have a bit of reversal, yeah, for INTC. For the SPY as well, is still holding. Try to pump from this dip. Let me just check the market. INTC, a test, and we might have a plunge down now. Not good. Let me just go on the other stocks that we might hunt for today. Breakout reversal, of course, and check the other stocks like PIK. Boom, 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 boom. Close this. Yes, PIK, we have a test and resistance. I still didn't break. This one is pulling back down. VCIG pulling back down. INTC, yeah, it broke. Not good. Time to short, guys. It's really time to short the market now. Really good to short. Let me just check if we could short INTC as well. Let me just go. Yeah, Tesla is going down and now it's going up. PayPal, INTC just broke the support. The SPY, yes, broke. Is officially, guys, red day today. Look, the SPY broke the 433. Is official. Now is official. We might have a huge red day on our hand. This is just the start, guys. This is just the start. Watch out. Let me just go on the other stocks. Yeah, this one might have a breakout now, so I'm watching for a break now. Yes, let me just check if we could enter. Not now, not now, not now. 1.74. Come on, we need the break here. No, 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 no. Not good, guys. Not good to enter. Watch out. 1.74. No, 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 no. I almost entered. We don't have a confirmation. We got sold off. OCA is pulling back. This one is less risky because we got near the support. But I don't like the sentiment of the market. It's a bit red. VCIG still holding. INTC still holding here. Yeah, we'll give the 5-minute candle to close. 5-minute candle, if we close below this level, is really good time to short. Let me just check how much we're willing to risk here. Yeah, time to short, man. Time to short. Telling you. INTC, we might have a huge dump now. Yeah, time to short. Let me just see where we're gonna go after this short. Yeah, we might have a target around the $30. The price will be really good average for INTC, guys. Will be really good average is around the 28.67. If we went until the 30.90 and we don't hold, the 28 should be a good entry point for INTC for the big picture, because we're gonna have a reversal, of course. And the time being, we're gonna have a dive for mini stocks. Watch out, because as we said it, the SPY is breaking. And we have a reversal kind of, but still this normal reaction. You know, when you have someone drowning and try to save himself from drowning, the same, like now we have a bit of dive for the SPY below the support. Now we're gonna have a bit of reversal, testing the 430, then dive once again. So this is always the case. When we have a dip here, we have a bit of push up. This is the risk of shorting, actually. When you try to short like this, the price actually react and go back up. But still below the 433 is still bearish. Tesla still holding. PayPal, yeah, crashing down. Broke the support, 67. Yeah. CCL. Okay. Mira. Okay, let's check this one. Yeah, I got shorted. This is the one that you short and you get really good money on your trade, because you short here and you get now 16% already. This is the perfect short. So for this one, if you want to enter, we'll watch the $1.20 for entry. Now it's halted down, I think. OCEA, yes. The market is bearish, that's why we have a bit of pullback. There's no entry so far. No entry so far. KMX, whoa, this one looking pretty good. Okay, you know, this one is acting differently. I should have actually entered on this one. Yeah, this one really looking good. KMX, really looking good. Yeah, KMX, we have good earnings for this one. That's why it's pumping. Let me just put smaller. We have the 89. Support is 81.70. This is the support. Okay. We have to give a bit time for the market because the market is crazy now. Virgin Galactic going down once again. ONCS. So we have a pullback. No entry so far. We don't have an entry. MEDS. Whoa, we have a huge pump for MEDS once again. Remember, guys, in pre-market we have the $9.28 as a resistance. Okay, let me just check MEDS because looking really juicy now. It's pumping. Yes, let me just check if we could enter here on this pullback. Wait a second, we have a pullback here. $9.28 is the resistance. We have pre-market pump, and now we have 2 times pump. $9.28 should be the squeeze. Watch out. $9.28 should be a squeeze. $8.99, $9. Okay, this time should be a squeeze or not, because we already tested it twice. $9.04. Yes, yes. Here the resistance, guys. Here either break or rejection. We have a test. $8.91. Whoa, huge pullback. What's going on with INTC? Okay, we have a huge buying pressure from the bottom. What's going on with this one? Huge buying pressure from the bottom once again. Let me just check. Don't tell me we're gonna have a huge pump here. Let me just check the SPY if we got something. Yeah, we kind of pumped from the bottom once again. Tesla, it's pushing back down. INTC is pushing back up. The SPY still didn't break the 433. This could be a fake out. Watch out. Still, we don't break this level. Okay, MADS try to break the $9.28. This is it. We have a try for a test double top in pre-market and now. If we broke this level, guys, game on for MEDS to have a squeeze for today. This is it. either now or never. OCEA, PIK, yeah, unhalted now is near around the support, the $1.21. Okay, INTC is pumping from the bottom. Okay, what's gonna happen here? Let me just check if we got another resistance, because the short is still adding. So we're gonna confirm if they're still adding for INTC or not around this level. Yes, 32.76. Yeah, 32.76. What's gonna be for this one? MEDS. MEDS. This one still have a support around the 81.70. Earning play. This one is an earning play. We might have a good action for this one. I'm going toward the 102. Would be a good trade for this one if we did that. Start to reverse this one. PIK, we have a support around the $1.21. MEDS, of course, we have a pullback. We'll see if we gonna have a break for this resistance. $9.28 is the squeeze for this one. $9.28 is the squeeze. Otherwise, man, if we don't break now, it's game over. We're gonna have a sell-off. So there's no in between now. There's no in between, because we have two try to break, but the price didn't break. INTC, we have short covering up. Oh man, short covering up from the 32.12. Unusual behavior. We should have actually got shorted here, but the short cover here. We have a dip here, and this is where the short covered for INTC. Oh boy. Look at this, man. What a crazy pump from the bottom. We'll give it time. If INTC didn't break here, it means this is a fake out and the price will continue to go down toward the 31.33. This is it. This is the level that will confirm if the short cover. Still holding for MEDS. Still waiting for a break here. Yes, $8.66. MEDS, $9.28. If we broke, I'm gonna add more here. MEDS, moment of the truth. Yeah, MEDS. I'm trying to add here. If we broke, yeah, $8.94. Still short here. Still there. What's going on with this one? Yeah, OCEA looking good here near this bottom. Let me just check OCEA. Look really good here near this bottom. Yeah, good bottom to buy. The $6.53 should be a great bottom. INTC is still pumping. What a crazy pump for this one. Let me just check the SPY. What's going on with this crazy stock? Yeah, the SPY didn't break the 433 yet. Tesla is going down. PayPal is still down. Why everything's down but INTC not down yet? This is crazy. Look at this. This is really not normal for INTC to pump like this. And all the market is red. Yeah, this is not normal. If we broke the 32.76, this will be really crazy for INTC, and we might have really squeeze from the bottom. This is it, 32.76. We have a wick here. Someone bought big time for INTC. This is the bottom for INTC around the 32, as we discussed before in our swing trade. Yeah, Tesla going down. PayPal, the same. INTC is breaking. Whoa, what a crazy pump here. No way, man. No way for INTC. This is crazy. 32.80 is a wick. Is it a wick or a hold? Not good. Yeah, it's breaking. This is really not normal for INTC. Anyway, so we have a break from this resistance for INTC. The whole market is red. You see, usually we have anomaly in the trading. All the market is down except for INTC. I think there's some short cover for the 32. There's a huge whale actually triggered by limit order for INTC. That's the reason we have a huge pump now. Okay. Now I'll put the resistance here around the 33.12. Let me just go for MEDS. Okay, this one is still didn't break the $9.29 or the 28. We're still waiting. OCEA, as we said, the $6.53 should be our support. KMX, this one I'm watching for entry. This one could be a good hunt, guys. If we hold the 81.70, it should be a good hunt. We have a bounce here around the beginning of the pre-market today. Then again, when the market open, yes, when the market open, I think. And then again here. So I'll watch for re-entry here. If we have a great pullback here, I could enter. I will watch for KMX pullback. Yes, maybe here. We'll see if we have a pullback. Yeah, INTC is squeezed, guys. INTC is squeezed from the bottom. Yeah, someone actually covered from the 32.12. Yeah, this is not normal. I'm telling you guys, the 32, we have broke the 32, but we held over the 32 actually. Yeah, we held. We have a wick and the price went up. So usually when we have a test for a major support, we trigger a whale buy order, you see, and the price squeeze from the bottom. Now we're gonna have a huge pump for INTC for today toward the 34.26. If we broke the current resistance right now around the 33.12. Okay, maybe we're gonna get rejected now. 33.12 after all. MEDS is still, we don't have a breakout around the $9.28. Let's check if we got some requested stock here. MEDS works. UCER. INTC undervalued, yes, works. KMX, guys, KMX, maybe we're gonna have a huge pump for KMX, watch out. This one mean business. KMX, we'll see if we're gonna have a continuation toward the 89.57. INTC, the only blue chip company that actually jumping today. The only one that is jumping, because we have a huge selling pressure, almost 12%. And now it's pumping from the bottom. As we said, the 32 should be the bottom for INTC. We held it perfectly actually. Because if we broke it, we're gonna have a huge dive, as we said, around the 28.67. Now it's testing the 33.12, major resistance, guys. 33.12. If we're gonna have a great day for INTC and see at least another 3% jump, is breaking the 33.12 with the KMX. KMX, if we broke the 89.57 would be a great day. We might see the 100. We have a support around the 81.70 for this one. So I'm still watching INTC and KMX. MEDS, let me just check works. Too many ticker symbols. Wow, yeah. This one hold the 35 and now jumping. Works looking good. INTC looking good. INTC looking good. Watch out, guys. INTC mean business. INTC, if we broke the 32, the 33 would be good for today hunt. We might see the 34. This is not normal, guys. This is really not normal. After this huge selling pressure, we have a huge buying pressure on the market open. Huge whale buying INTC now, and still kicking INTC short up 1%. Yesterday it was dead. We don't have any volume. For today, INTC, different story. This one wanting another kick toward the 89. 89.57 would be a crazy kick. Yeah, 33 is still our resistance. Guys, let me just fill the water and come in 5 minutes. Yeah, INTC is pumping, guys. So we have a crazy reversal for INTC from the bottom. Let me just check OCEA. I think we kind of about to break the support. Yeah, if we broke the $60.53 is not good. This one is still, there's no breakout. This one is still holding the support. Yeah, the $1.21. KMX and INTC. You know what I'm gonna do? OCEA. I'm gonna close this trade. It's low volume, and try to open KMX. Open a trade for this one, guys. Looking good. Right, open trade here. We have good earnings for this one. So we have volatility. The other one we might open is INTC. This one I'll take it from the list. I bought INTC. Yeah, INTC. Open INTC trade here. Boom. Perfect. And then, yeah, INTC looking good. Okay, we expect another, yeah, 3% at least, around the 34.26 if we really squeezed. The support is still around the 32. Okay, so the 32 should be the support. We kind of broke from this resistance. Now we have the 34 as a profit. KMX looking good, and we're expecting 89.57 test and break. If we broke this level, guys, we're gonna have a huge pump, really huge pump for this one toward the 102, and would be a great day for us for this one. Yeah, it's back to huge volatility here. Let me just check. Yeah, we have some resistance here around this 86. Yeah, the 86. If we broke the 86 here, we're gonna have a pump until the 89, and this is should be 4% jump. INTC, we have a bit of pullback. Okay, so if we pull back, we need to hold there. Yes, 32 this time to confirm the strength. VCIG, not today. I'll put it here. Forging Galactic, not good. Forging Galactic, not good. ONCS, yeah, this one as well, not good for today. I'll take it from the list. SRGA, I'll take it from the list. MGOL, gonna take it from the list. This one, gonna take it from the list. Nikola, yeah, it's going down slowly, so we might go to the word at $1. CTM, gonna take from the list. This one, yes, there's a lot of stock we have to take from the list because it's kind of dead, you know. Even there's no power hour, there's no chance. So when we take any stock from the list, is mean game over, guys. We don't have to watch it once again. UCER, yeah, some of you said UCER. Yeah, kind of pumping, but I don't trust it anymore. It's a trust problem. If you don't trust something, it's really hard to trade. Okay, this one started to reverse from the bottom. Nice. Okay, so INTC, we have INTC on, we have CarMax, and this one MEDS, we're still holding it. OCEA, we close it, and we have this, we might see. We might trade this one, but I'm still not confident on this one yet. I'll wait a bit. MADS pushing back down. We have double top around the $9.28, price going down. Yeah, this one still we could have actually squeezed here around the $9.28, but we didn't, so not good now. INTC is still looking good. A continuation for INTC. KMX started to squeeze, watch out. What a huge reversal for INTC. I didn't expect that actually. When we reverse from this bottom and we have a red day for the market, we have a green day for INTC. Anyway, so we got KMX is started to pump as well. Watch out. We might have a great day for KMX. Yeah, INTC. We already did swing trade for this one. INTC, yes, INTC, we said 32 should be the bottom support. So now is going toward, I think, the 34, 33, yeah, 34, no, 33. Yeah, going toward the 34 profit taken. KMX, we got great earnings as we said. We expect continuation for this one. We expect volatility. Volatility. Yeah, we need volatility for this one. It's not game over yet. Yeah, it would be good if we hit the 100 after this good earnings. Tesla, as usual, top volume gainer for today, then Virgin Galactic, because we have another test for the support and a huge sell-off yesterday. We got APLD jumping because of what? Earnings, news. I think we got news, and we have a breakout from the $10.48. Nice. Nice, this one looking nice. Okay, APLD, Applied Digital Corporation, maybe will be a good swing for this one. Maybe we could swing it. Wow, this one looking good, guys. APLD, we'll add it later. What we have here, INTC, of course. KITT, nope. We got this, no. So let me just go to the top volume gainer. We got CFMS. We got SWBI. Too expensive. This one, of course, UCER. Let me just check UCER. Wow, UCER is pumping now. A great pump from the bottom. We might have a good trade here for UCER if we hold the $1.87. I'm checking UCR later. This one. Okay, let me just go and go here, swing trade, and put APLD. I put it here, and go back and check. And check. UCAR, yeah, still here. UCAR maybe would be a good trade if we hold the $7.87. Yeah, would be a good trade to break the 9 and going toward the 11. MEDS still looking good toward the $9.28. KMX have a struggle to break here around the 86. Yes, as we said, the 86 looking a bit hard to break. INTC a bit to pull back. So we got MEDS. Maybe we're gonna have a squeeze for this one. This is I have some hope for this one. As long as we hold the $6.85, we might have the squeeze over the $9.28. Watch out. Here the short should cover. Here should the short have to cover big time. And we're gonna have the 11.20 and beyond even. UCR, the same scenario. UCER looking really juicy if we hold the 7.87. Let me just check how much we could risk here. We could risk 6%. Not bad. Let me just take this VCIG, this one, and put UCAR. Patience, patience, patience. What's gonna be? Which one will give us some honey? If you want honey, you have to expect a bit of sting, you know? You have to go through the struggle to get the honey. It's not easy job. You have to go over the bees. INTC is still pumping to the heavens. Still holding PIK. Yes, Louise, watch out. The 1.21 should be an exit strategy, because if we broke, it mean flush down. Watch out. If we held, we're gonna have a huge kick. And you can actually take profit here around the 1.46 or exit here. Watch out everybody. This is it. 1.21 should be it. INTC is still holding. KMX is still holding. It's not we need this buyer, man. We have a huge buyer here. We need another kick. Yeah, we have a huge red day today. The SPY is still holding. We have a bounce here. Tesla 3% down, but it's still holding the current support, the 247. So we don't expect a flush. So this one jumped because we got AI news. We got 460 million AI cloud service contract. Second client. Big client. Almost $500 million, man. $500 million. We got something for this one. Something big. I'm watching before the market close for this one. Maybe we're gonna have a good hunt. Maybe we're gonna have a good hunt for this one. Okay, we have a kick, Luis. Watch out. $1.21. Luis is good. Price jumped because we held over the support. So PIK pumped from the bottom support. Luis, watch out. Make sure to take profit here. $1.46. Watch out. This is a resistant on profit taken. Then the $1.73. Luis, if you hear me, make sure to take profit. No, I can't hear, Joe Friedman. I just read. I don't hear. Your this will be the... Sometimes in the future, maybe YouTube will add this feature, like in Discord. When we have live, we could actually make everybody speak. But this will be a kind of a mess because everybody's speaking and laughing and we can hear each other, you know? So writing is better, I think. It's not wise to have this feature, everybody talking at the same time. It would be really crazy. Aha, you mean Luis. Yeah, Luis, he hear me, but he don't listen, yeah. Yeah, crazy. He want to have the price to go to the moon. I know. You see what's happened, Luis? You see what's happened, Luis? The price tests our profit taken and went down. Luis, look, Luis. The price tests our profit taken near the profit taken and got shorted. Luis, take profit, Luis. Luis, take profit, please. INTC still pumping. KMX still holding. Man, this one can mean business this week and next week. If we held the 81, we'll see if we're gonna have something for this one today. MEDS, yes, we have the $9.28 people. $9.28. This is the squeeze area. Man, sometimes I wish if I was a bird, you know, just flying away, no passport, no care about money or place. You just go, fly away, then find a tree and find a place over there. You might get killed by a cat or something. But you just care about the time being, you know, because your life is really short, but free. So, you know, like you can have everything. And if you want to be a human, you can live long, but sometimes the life would be sad, you know, and you'll be kind of in prison in your head. And you worry about money every time, worry about taxes, you worry about getting married. But if you're a bird, you don't care. It's like everything happened naturally, you know. There's the season of getting married, you know. It's like you just dance and simple, you know. You don't have to buy rings or anything. You just be dancing and try to be cute to catch a female bird. Then you fly together on the sunset and go to the other country without worrying about passport or anything. This is the ultimate peak of romance, you know. Being a bird. No, but if you live in Europe, if you're a bird and live in Europe, you don't care about cats because cats is so cute here. They don't eat birds. I hate to break it to you, Fabrice. There is no love is kind of misinterpreted, you know. There's no love, brother. There's no love. The only love is between brothers and sisters and family. The other way of love, like love in person, is kind of there is a hole in it, because if you love someone, there is it mean you missing something, you know. If you're full and you have already, like, life is really full, like, you, I don't know, you try to create something or try to build something and you love already, you love yourself already, you don't think about love this way, you know. It's like, I can't live without this person, because a lot of people have this misconception about love, like Netflix love, you know. This is really bad love, because it's kind of fire. It's put off after 1 week or 1 day, and or even 1 month, then the love will be gone. This is not love, man. Oh, brother, I can feel it. Yeah, you're right about French taxes. SWPI. Ariane, yes, man, I thought about it. I was in Netherlands, and I have a lot of people actually do sailing. And I have a plan to go to Atlantic Ocean, you know, by sailing from Portugal to South America. But I have to be off the grid for 2 months. 2 months I have to be off the grid. It's kind of a big choice to have, you know. Anyway, let me just check this one. SWBI 17% up. Oh boy, this one, yes, looking good actually, looking good. This one looking good. We already got our breakout here, 17%. And this one as well got earnings yesterday, and the earning is really good. So we might have a continuation for this pump. Yeah. This one looking good. Thank you for bringing this up to us, 17% after good earnings. Nice. Yeah, this one mean business. And when we have this jump, when the market open. Wow. Yes. Great pump. SWBI looking good. INTC still. KMX. Oh man, this one is dying. There's no action. SWBI on the other hand, it's looking good. Might have a continuation for this one. SWBI. Yeah, SWBI maybe would be good to trade. SWBI. Let me just check. It's crazy, I don't have it. I don't have it. PIK, man, this one tried to break the $1.46. Watch out! It try every second to break here, but there's still a seller. Watch out, Luis. I don't know if you hear me. The price is about to break. I think Luis counting his money. Luis counting the price. I think Luis wanting the price to go toward the $2.25. This is Luis. Luis want the price to go here around the $2.25. However, the market is bearish, man. It's a bit bearish today, so we got PIK, a chance for a break from the $1.45 to go toward the $1.73. INTC is still accumulating here, but after this accumulation we might have another kick toward the 34. So we're missing another 3%. Yes, 3%. Let's see if we hold this accumulation. Yes, it would be really great if we hold here. Oh man, the short is still shorting this one. Oh boy, I don't like it anymore. Don't like it anymore. Yes, kind of getting weak here. KMX getting weak. INTC is still holding. Okay, looking good. INTC looking good for a continuation. PIK is about to break. PIK, watch out. $1.45. Yeah. Kingston, crazy idea. Getting the Starlink for our live streaming. However, Starlink actually covers some area. So if I move with my sailing boat, I might not get the coverage because Starlink have some areas, not whole world. Still, they thinking about making Starlink everywhere, but now there's some area is off the grid. So I don't know if the Atlantic Ocean is covered by Starlink. If yeah, this will be crazy good. Just take my laptop and do the live streaming from there. So yeah, I think actually I can do like trading, live streaming, whatever. If I have just internet connection, I can't go to the desert. I can go even the desert in Africa, and I can actually do my live streaming. I don't have boundaries. So yeah, this is an idea I have to think about really hard. Because why I'm waiting for? If I want to go anywhere, I can just take my laptop. I just need internet connection. Yeah, key MX is getting weak, guys. It's getting weak. The short is adding here and there, so there's some weakness in the chart. Yeah, see here, we have some weakness. We'll see if we're gonna continue to go down or not. INTC the same. We have a bit of accumulation. We're waiting for another kick. Otherwise, a flash down as well. MEDS accumulation the same. We have accumulation for the market. UCR, I think we have a bot. The price is accumulation and going nowhere. For MEDS, UCR, KMX is accumulating sideways. INTC, the only one that have potential to squeeze now is PIK. This is the only one that might have action. Yeah, PIK. We might have action. Oh boy. INTC is about to do something here. Okay, PIK. And this one, oh, we have kind of break here. KMX, we kind of have a break, KMX. INTC, still. Wow. Huge test and price went down. Big seller still around the $1.45. Big seller, guys. Big seller. It's not moving. He's not moving. Yes, a huge selling pressure. Watch out. PIK. PIK. Yeah, UCER dropping. We'll watch for the $7.84. Market is really kind of annoying and slow for today. Slow, 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 slow. Now INTC slowed down. See what's happened here. We have another pattern. Price going down slowly. Yeah, UCR was good around this area when we accumulated here, but the support was kind of shabby here around the $6.92. Yeah, after this selling pressure that happened back 21st of June, 22nd, 23rd, just few days. I think this was last Wednesday. Yeah, INTC will leave it for now. child play here. Watching KMS or KMX. Yeah, KMX might give us something here. Okay, KMX is about to squeeze now. Watch out, people. Let's go. KMX want to go toward the 89. Come on, don't do this. We need the 89. Oh, this is crazy. Fake out. Let me just put it here. Yeah, this one got shorted. $1.45. This is it. This is it. We didn't have the breakout. KMX, we're still waiting for the 89 squeeze. 89.57. If we broke it, we're gonna have a huge volatility toward the $100. I don't know if we're gonna have it today, but this is might be for the next week. But we need to hold. Okay, MADS want to kick toward the $9.28. MEDS, come on, finally we have some action for today. MEDS. Yeah, Ahmed, yeah. As we said, the SPY have a bit of weakness. It was not good reaction from the SPY. We have a bit bearish market today. And we don't have a continuation. You see, we have a bit of hesitation. Hesitation for PIK. It almost have a great day here. When the market open, we have a huge wake around the 1.73. Boom. This is the first signal was for having a red market, because this was the top gainer for today, and we didn't have a break from the 1.73, that all-time high. And again, we have another signal for weakness, that second level that we got rejected at, and the price went down once again. MEDS, the same. We have two tests in pre-market and when the market open. We have two top here around our resistance, the $9.28. Price went down. UCAR, the same reaction. We have accumulation and we didn't even test the $9. VCIG died, went below the $6. Virgin Galactic, yeah, got a huge selling pressure even from yesterday. Nikola as well went down. We have a really good red day today. We don't have a continuation for the market. KMX, we have a huge pump in the pre-market, went down and went up, and now kind of consolidating up. Want to break the 89. So if we broke the 89, would be game on for KMX, because we got good earning for the stock, and we might have a continuation next week. If we broke today, would be good around the 89.57, around the power hour, or today or now would be a really great day for KMX, because we expect the $100 for this stock. $100. We're missing just 3%, I think, from here, or 4% to have a squeeze. 4%. So now 10%, we're missing 14%. Yeah, around the 14% we got our squeeze. Kingston, exactly. This is the best suggestion, actually, the best advice to buy blue chip company and do swing trade before the close. So this is what we offer. We're gonna have a power hour, guys, and our Patreon. watch out, power hour coming up today before the market close. We're gonna hunt, as said, Kingston said, today is a good day to hunt blue chip company and swing trade some stocks. This is the best strategy, actually, not day trade, but swing trade some quality stocks. So we're gonna do as we said, a power hour on our Patreon. So watch out, guys. Every Friday we do a power hour here. So we're gonna have a special link, especially here on our hunters. Before the market close, of course, by 1 hour, and before 10 minutes or 30 minutes, we're gonna put a special link here on our Patreon, and we're gonna update you and notify you guys on our Discord. I will put the link like what we did before. Last time we put the power hour here, the power hour, yeah, before 1 minute. We'll make sure to make it more earlier to notify you on Discord in order to join us on our power hour to hunt for swing trade stocks. And of course, we're gonna discuss cryptos. Crypto is doing all right, and we might have a continuation for a bullish momentum. Watch out. KMX preparing for another pump. Watch out. KMX preparing for something drastic. Dave, when did you send me an email? Because I didn't check the email when I'm live. I will check it later. Okay, KMX 86, 64, 87 should be the mini squeeze. Yeah, 87. We have a bit of resistance here around the 87. Price is doing all right, guys. Look at this. We have a huge pump, then price went down, pump down, now crawling up, going toward the 89. We need the 89 for KMX. Yeah, the market is slow, man. The market is slow, I'm telling you. Market is a bit slow, so we have to watch out for power hour. That's the deal. That's the plan. So you sent me a message on Patreon, Dave. Okay, I'm gonna check it later. Alvaro, thank you. Great hunt, brother. Yes, guys, we're gonna discuss all the requested stocks and the stocks like Q&A. We're gonna do a Q&A for today. So if you have any question about any stock or crypto, we're gonna discuss them here on Patreon. We're gonna do a power hour today before the market close to answer all the question, and we're gonna hunt, like Kingston said, one of our hunter, he said the best strategy right now, hunting for swing trade stocks for next week. We're gonna discuss the stock that have earnings next Monday to hunt for them, the entry and exit for them, and everything you want to know, the ultimate profit taken for them. And if you have a question, as we said, we're gonna answer all the question for our hunter and our Patreon before the market close for today, because now the market is kind of sleepy, man. It's kind of sleepy. It's sideways trading, except for KMX. We might have a huge pump when we finish our live streaming. Okay, guys, I have to go, and thank you for watching. As we said, power hour coming up today before the market closed, and see you there.